If you don't know how to do your makeup, girl, have no fear. I'm here and I got you. This is how to catfish the internet. This is how to catfish the internet 101. So girl, let's go. First things first, if you've taken a shower, dry your hair. Awesome. I've recently started doing this. I use the lolll Original Cream Active Hydrating
that doesn't make no
Hydration
sense.
Active. I'm not kidding, that is literally what it says. I've been starting to do this like every single day because my shit is dry. The amount of skin flakes that fall off of my face every single day is absurd. So the question I get all the time is, what foundation do I use? I use the Revlon Color Stay 24-hour long wear makeup. Pro tip, squirt. Put product on your hand. Get your beauty blender and like evenly apply it to your beauty blender. Apply it to your skin. Concealer I use is the e.l.f. one. I'm not sure exactly what color this is. I apply this to my T-zone. Blend that shit in. Now that I look like a ghost, we are gonna apply some color to my face. The contour palette that I use is the Wet n Wild contour palette. You can get it at any drugstore. Love this. This is how I do my nose contour. So I go to the bottom of my nose, like I draw like a little line. We're trying to get the illusion that she's skinny, okay? I go a little bit up, like an inch up from what the line I drew down here, and I like that to give that button nose effect. This is where we make her look skinny. Just draw 2 little lines like that. I use a brow pencil. I use the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. Yeah, girl, just apply it. I mean, I don't do anything special, so I'm just gonna snap my fingers and now my eyebrows are done. Period. We got that shit done. The blush I use is Wet n Wild, and the shade color is called Mellow Wine. Now we move on to the eyeballs, the most important part of my routine. This is where I catfish the out of people, okay? You gotta start with the mascara. I know this looks disgusting. I've had it for a pretty long time. I need to change her out, but the one I use is the L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush Mascara. The eyeliner I use, the star of the show, I use the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. She's a queen. I love her. Now this is where the magic happens, so I'm gonna scoot a little closer. So I'm gonna draw a line. We're gonna go all the way. There we go. You see that? You see that? Then we're gonna connect them hoes from this point to that point, and then we're gonna fill her in. Basically, like where the middle of your eyeball is, I get it and I swoop her and connect her to this point of my eyeliner. Like that. Fill her in. I get my Wet n Wild multi-stick and in the shade of white, and I put it in the inner corner of my eyeball. I go back to my eyeliner, color in the inner corner of my eyeball. I draw little lashes on my eyeliner. You could grab any lash that you want. Just get anything that like is shorter from the beginning and then longer on the top. Now we're gonna go back to the mascara. Put them under your lashes. So now I'm gonna do the other eye, so I'll be right back. Awesome, now that my eyes are done, we are gonna go with my lip gloss. e.l.f. Plump Lip Plumping Gel in the shade Wild Cherry. now we are going to change. And just like that, you've learned how to do your makeup. Period, girl, let's go. This is my cat, Donut. Don't be shy, girls. Subscribe to my channel, like it, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you in the next one.